Okay, now as far as the, not scales, but the little horny type things that come down his back, they're just like the ears in the way that we make them, into the cone and then into the same shape as the ears. Now what I want to do on these is I want to start smaller and go larger as I go down. So I'll start with a small ball, cone, back of a paintbrush, water. This one's actually a little big. I'm going to use this about midway down. Okay, now we're going to do this part of the belly with the lime green. So again, a ball, and then start to roll it, elongate it. We'll go ahead and place some water right in here. Place this on and start to flatten that out a little bit. Okay, once we get that on there, we'll make the lines with this tool again. Okay, and then his little wing that he has is in lime green also. Okay, ball, cone. Okay, now this time what I want to do is I want to start to pull this out, make it a little bit more pointy, and flatten it also a little bit. So I'm coming this way, and flattening this part a little. Thinning out that edge. Okay, when you get to about this point, then what you want to do is take a little bit of water here, pop this on, and turn this back. And then take this veining tool, just like so. Okay, and then the toenails. Gotta have toenails, right? Lime green, ball, longish cone with a point on the end. We're gonna do 2 down here. Again, don't hang it off the cookie too much because it'll just break. And 1 in front of that. And then the other 2 over here. Okay, back to the eye. We need a little bit of white fondant. Roll it into a ball. It's going to be a little bit too big. A little water inside. Place that inside. Black royal icing. Have a little dot there, and then the eyebrow. Squeeze, bring it over, kind of like a comma again. The tongue, and then we'll just have the dusting. Okay, so the tongue is again a ball, and then if I roll it here, it's going to be more of a cone, okay? Then what I do is I place a little bit of water in the mouth, place the tongue in there, and then use this to make the center of the tongue. Okay, and then the last step is dusting. Same color, cotton candy. Here, go up the tail. Top of the tail here. Kind of do some on this green part right here, the belly. A little on the tips of the wings. A little back here. A little inside the nose, on the cheek, and in the ear. And voila! Okay, there he is. Isn't he a cutie pie?